Let's make chicken Inasal Negosyo. If you're planning to start a food business, this recipe is perfect for you. Simple, budget-friendly, and profitable. In a mixing bowl, combine all marinade ingredients. Soy sauce, vinegar, calamansi juice, lemon soda, sugar, salt, MSG, black pepper, garlic, turmeric, ginger, and yellow food color. Not seen in the video, but don't forget to add. Mix well until sugar is dissolved. Then set aside. Prepare your washed chicken. Remove the upper part of the chicken tail. Cut into 4 cuts, pie and picho. Slightly score both pie and picho for better marinade absorption and evenly cooking. Make 2 cuts in thickest part of pie, and it should be side by side. Remove the neck part. Make a deeper cut on the thickest part of the breast. Carefully slice and slightly open and flatten. Let's marinate. Dip each piece of chicken into the marinade before combining. Gently massage to ensure even coating, then refrigerate for at least 6 hours or overnight. Insert barbecue sticks or skewer from the thigh part going down to the drumstick. For picho, insert skewer from wing part to the thicker areas of the meat to hold shape and keep it flat and prevent folding while grilling. Preheat your griller. Place the chicken on the grill. Turn and flip occasionally. Baste with oil once it dries. This will retain juiciness and prevent from burning the chicken. Then maintain your charcoal's heat. It will give your chicken the smoky flavor. Repeat the process until the chicken are fully cooked. Planning to start your own chicken Inasal Negosyo? Get our file and see description box below for more details. Pao can be sold for 109 to 120 pesos per serve. While picho, you can price it for 130 up to 150 pesos per serve. But still, your price will depend on your own costing. Baste with oil and check doneness, then remove from the heat. Don't overcook. Let it rest for at least 3 to 5 minutes before serving. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next negosyo recipe idea.